This video is on my Kershaw 1990 Brawler. It's a folding pocket knife. It's my everyday carry. It's a beautiful knife. Um, the the description on Amazon says it has a 3 1/4 inch blade. It's a steel blade and a black glass-filled nylon handle. The handle is very sturdy. Some people have asked about the handle. And this pocket clip is reversible. You can move it from either here to the other side. I moved it over here just so that it fits in my pocket a little better, just like so. I'm left-handed, so I like to have it in my left-hand pocket. It opens very quickly, so you can open it just like so, and this is the preferred way to hold it as you open it. So as you can tell, it opens up very quickly and it's very sturdy, won't close on you. I can close it just like that. Like I said, I'm left-handed, so I can open it very quickly with my left hand. It fits in the palm of your hand, and for California, you can put it in your pocket, and that's not a problem. It doesn't need to be open carry. And again, just with a flip of this little tab here, you can open up your Kershaw Brawler. So here you go. Let's do it one more time. You can close it very easily. And again, I like to hold it, this little edge here, I like to hold it here close to the heel of my palm, and the other side is just held just like that, and the pocket clip kind of helps me get a grasp on the knife, and there you go. Beautiful blade, nice and sharp. I have sharpened it once. I've had it for a bit, and I do use it, so there is a need to sharpen it if you're going to use it often. But beautiful knife, highly recommend it.